I'm at Riley Stewart Supply, which if you can see, I'm in a room surrounded by brick samples. And today we're going to talk about the reasons why you should not paint your brick. Right now it's trendy to paint your brick white. About 10 years ago it was trendy to paint your brick gray. So let's talk about the reasons why painting your brick might be a bad idea. The first one is that painting brick makes it high maintenance. Brick is such a beautiful material to use because it's so low maintenance to start with. You start adding paint and that adds on to the maintenance. Second of all, when you add a standard type paint on top of brick, it doesn't allow for brick to do what it naturally wants to do, which is to breathe. It gets moisture behind it, and then as the moisture tries to come out of the brick, it will bubble the paint and ruin your surface. If no other reason, putting paint on your house timestamps it. Like I said, 10 years ago it was gray and now it's white. So if you had that gray house, now you've got to paint it a different color so that you're not stuck in whatever trend was happening when you first painted it. And the last reason is that painting your brick, if you ever change your mind and want to remove it, it's done. It's nearly impossible to remove. It's very costly to remove if you decide you want to do that, so it's better just to not paint it to begin with. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. There's always reasons why you should paint your brick. I'm not saying it's a blanket solution for everybody, but it's just giving you a few reasons to kind of give it that second thought.